Hey guys, Mike from That Place. Today we're in New York City and we're going to pricey restaurant by famous celebrity chef Thomas Keller. It's the second most expensive restaurant in New York City. United States has 13 three-star Michelin Star restaurants. We're going to one of those today. We're at Columbus and Broadway. It's Columbus Circle.
We've been to Mr. Keller's French Laundry restaurant in California and want to compare it to his New York restaurant.
Okay, this place is a little overwhelming. It's huge. It's a shopping mall. This is New York. Pricey is located on the 4th floor.
Hello. I'm so happy to see the blue door.
Absolutely, there we go. How are you?
Now we meet up with our dining guests in the peaceful sitting area of the restaurant that overlooks Columbus Circle. Walking into Pricey, the room design draws us to the Salon Lounge seating area, where a smaller 5-plate tasting menu is available. The look is cosmopolitan compared to the country cousin French Laundry in California. One of the spectacular things about this restaurant is the views of Central Park and Columbus Square.
Let the festivities begin.
Our foodie marathon begins with the servers getting us comfortable with initial drinks and counseling us on what's to come. Just like at the French Laundry, we start our 9-plate tasting menu with an off-menu amuse-bouche. Keller's famous salmon tartare. One of those attentive servers must have heard us talking about how much we liked it, so they brought us a second one.
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pricey, similar to its western cousin, French Laundry has a second amuse-bouche pre-menu serving of butter cracker with spicy cheese. Pricey excels in the art of serving. This is excellent cuisine, demonstrating a taste for elegance. What they call oysters and pearls, most people call their signature dish. It has a sabayon of pearl tapioca with Island Creek oysters and Keller's Regis Ova caviar. Next up is the Norwich Meadows Farm Beet salad. It's got Hawaiian hearts of palm, some flavorful little plums, hazelnuts, and a special black truffle sauce. All I know is it's really good. The salad comes with bread. Keller hires great bakery chefs. I'm not normally a big bread person, but this is to die for. Plus, it's got the Animal Farm butter from Vermont. As the food orgy continues, the servers make sure that we have everything we need.
What is this?
Yes, here I go. This is the Nova Scotia Halibut with an eggplant tapenade, fava beans, and a chickpea pampladon.
Okay, what you got now?
This is tempura fried soft shell crab with cherry tomatoes, Hass avocado, and gem lettuce MNC.
Thank you. Who's going?
Pricey Restaurant is known for its wines. Rather than looking through the 2,000 plus list, I asked the wine sommelier for a mid-priced wine that pairs with the food. Mid-priced ended up being $35 to $40 per glass.
Oh, perfect.
Next up is the smoked Wolf Ranch quail breast. The presentation includes French leeks, red currants, cauliflower florets, and brown butter gastrique. The food orgy continues with serving of prime rib of Elysian Field Farm lamb. This is juicy heaven. This tasting plate includes roasted squash, stuffed Jimmy Nordello pepper, Romano beans, and a special chimichurri sauce. Enter the all-time favorite Gujar, a classic French pastry with cheese. This comes with aged Comté with black winter truffle sauce. Pricey varies the china pattern from dish to dish. Classic 3 Michelin Star restaurant. Some of these selfies show what the main dining area looks like. Pricey discourages taking photos in the main dining area for privacy. Okay, this restaurant splurge was not just for YouTube. My birthday. Wishing you fantastic journeys, wonderful adventures, and if you can give me a thumbs up, your wish will come true.
There you go. Let's make a house.
Whoa! What is it?
Those are 8 different chocolates. Every single one of them is made in a house thanks to our pastry department. Of course, I am gonna go over every single one of them, and please let me know which one would you like to try to next.
Okay, I'll take one of everything. Just like French Laundry, per se delivers on the desserts. They call this strawberry delight, and it really was.
What you were pointing at is our chai latte. So we have a cappuccino semi-freddo, which is a decaf ice cream, and then for the table we have cinnamon sugar donuts to be paired up with the cappuccino semi-freddo. And for mini desserts, we have vanilla cherry macarons, hazelnut dragees, and dark chocolate fudge caramels. Enjoy, everyone.
Next, when we thought it couldn't get any better, Thomas Keller sits with us right at our table.
What do you say? It's delivered, right? So it's not that happening.
Your signature dish was my favorite.
Yes.
The one with the tapioca balls.
Very good.
It's my favorite. It's the best.
Good. Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice having you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very wonderful.
Pleasure.
Final treat, we get to go behind the scenes to Per se's 3 Michelin Star kitchen.
With all the desserts, the main course near the front where we're plating all the hot food, fish and meat. And this here is the garde manger, which is first course, and the cornet station.
Oh, the cornets.
Yep. Chef Chad is our chef of the team, so he's the one who's in charge. And of course, make sure you know the team that nothing is missing on the plate.
Oh my God, be fantastic. And we'll see you next time at that place.